If you are spiritually and morally resurrected,
uma uvusiwe ngokukamoya nangesimilo
you are already living a resurrected life, meaning
sophila
a
impilo
godly
evusiwe
life.
kusho ukuthi impilo
A
kaNkulunkulu
godly life cannot
impilo
die.
kaNkulunkulu ayikaze yafa ngeke ife
A godly life does not die,
ayifi impilo
and it will
kaNkulunkulu
never die.
futhi ngeke nje ife
It will never die.
ngeke ife
That's why Romans 8,
Ingama
if
Roma
the
8.
same spirit that raised Jesus from the dead
if lo moya wena wafusa uJesu
now
kwabaphila
lives in you,
manje sophila kuwe
it will quicken your mortal bodies,
uzovusa lo msimbo ufayo
not in the grave,
Hayi ethuneni.
while you are still alive.
usaphila
That spirit continues to give life
lo moya uqhubeka
to your
unikeza
dying
ukuphila
body.
kulo msimbo ufayo
What causes the body to die?
yini yenza ukuthi umzimba ufe na
John 16.
John 16
Jesus said, in the world,
uthi ezweni
John 6:33. Ne? Jesus says, in the world,
uthi ezweni
you will have many troubles
zoba nezinkathazo
and
eziningi
trials. But
nezingcinamba
in me,
kodwa kimi
you'll have peace.
zoba
So
nokuthula
what happens now? You are in the world
usezweni
with a dying body,
ngomzimba ufayo
but you are with a spirit
kodwa unalo moya
that gives life to that body.
onikeza ukuphila kulowo mzimba
That's why without the Holy Spirit,
ingakho ngaphandle komoya
we say
oyingcwele
you are dead.
sithi ufile
Luke chapter 9, verse 60.
Luka 9
Jesus said to the man when he said, I want to go and bury my father.
uthi uJesu kule ndoda beyithi ifuna ukuyohamba uyongcwaba ubaba wakhe
Jesus said to him, allow the spiritually dead
uthi vumela abafile
to
ngokukamoya
bury their own dead.
bangcwaba abafileyo
It
babo
means if you don't have the spirit in you,
kusho ukuthi mawunganawo lo moya
meaning the spirit of God,
kusho
you
umoya
are
kaNkulunkulu
dead already.
ufile vele
You are dead.
ufile
It's not the grave that declares you dead.
akusiyithune
It's the absence of the Holy Spirit.
ukungabi khona kamoya oyingcwele
The absence of the Holy Spirit declares you dead.
ukungabikho kamoya oyingcwele kusho ukuthi wena ufile
It's not going to the grave
akusukuye
and be
ethuneni
buried.
bese ungcwatshe
If you don't have the Holy Spirit,
uma ungenawo kumoya
you are
oyingcwele
declared dead.
vele sekuthiwa ufile wena
Revelations 3, Jesus speaks
Sample
about
is that-
the same
khuluma
thing.
ngayo le nto
He
leyo
says you have a record or a reputation
uthi ninalo igama noma izenzo
that you
zenu
are living.
uthi niyaphila
But he says, but you are dead.
kahle kahle nifile
What happened? They lost the Spirit.
balahlekelwa
It's a
umoya
church that has lost the Holy Spirit.
ibandla elingenawo umoya oyingcwele
Because Jesus was not speaking to unbelievers.
ngoba uJesu wayengakhulumi ngabantu
It was a
abangakholwa
letter to churches.
kwakuyincwadi abhalela amabandla
Now he says, you think you are dead.
nicabanga ukuthi nifile
I mean, he says, you think you are alive.
uthi nicabanga ukuthi niyaphila
But he says, you are dead.
kahle kahle nifile
And he comes, he says, you think you are clothed.
uthi cabanga ukuthi niqokile
And he says, you are naked.
hayi nincunu
And he says, you think you are rich.
uthi nicabanga ukuthi nicebile
But yet you are poor.
kahle kahle nimpofu
Meaning they had life now,
kusho ukuthi bebenempilo ke manje
enjoying life.
bathokozela
But
nje
they
impilo
missed the abundance of life.
kahle kahle bebengenako
Life in the
lokuphelela
spirit.
impilo kumoya
They were now living life in material things
bebaphila impilo yezinto eziphathekayo
without the Holy Spirit.
kungekho umoya oyingcwele
Now death was able to enter the church.
manje ukufa kwakwazi ukungena ebandleni
If the Holy Spirit is not there,
uma umoya oyingcwele ungekho
church or believers,
ibandla noma amakholwa
they experience death.
azana nokufa
Not physically.
hayi ngokwenyama
If you are spiritually dead, you are dead.
uma nje ufile ngokukamoya kusho ukuthi ufile vele
Don't wait for the grave.
ungalindeli ke nethuna
Without the Holy Spirit,
ungenawo umoya
your
oyingcwele
record says you are dead.
vele nje ufile
You are dead because you are not living a godly life.
ngoba uphila impilo
You
kaNkulunkulu
are living a life that can be buried.
phila impilo vele ezongcwatshwa engangcwatshwa
You are living a life that will be condemned by the grave.
uphila impilo engalahlwa ithuna
But if you have the Holy Spirit
kodwa ke mawuna umoya oyingcwele
with this natural body on earth,
ngalo mzimba ubonakala emhlabeni
facing everything
ubhekana nakho konke
that is happening on earth,
okwenzakalayo emhlabeni
Death, problems,
ukufa,
trials,
izinkinga,
stress,
izingqinamba, inkathazo
tribulations,
cindezeleka
all of these
inkinga
things,
zonke lezi zinto
they are targeting one thing:
zifuna nje into
to
eyodwa
kill you.
ukubulala
All of these things,
zonke lezi
the
zinto
aim is to kill.
into nje ifunayo ukubulala
But if you have the Spirit in you,
kodwa mbawunalo moya kuwe
meaning the Holy Spirit,
kusho ukuthi umoya oyingcwele
it will quicken your mortal bodies.
uzovusa lo mzimba ofayo
Not in the grave. While
Hayi
you're still
ethuneni,
alive,
usaphila
you are facing problems.
ubhekana nenkinga
The Spirit gives life.
umoya unikeza ukuphila
Things that must target your mind.
izinto ekufanele
The Spirit
zihlasele ingqondo
gives
yakho
life.
umoya wena unikeza ukuphila.
Now we say you are resurrected
Sesithi uvusiwe
before you die physically.
ungakafanga ngokwenyama.
Because you are able to handle all of this pressure
Ngoba uyakwazi ukungena kuzo zonke uzigcine lezi ngcinamba.
without being affected.
Ungalimali nokulimala.
Without being affected.
Ungathinteki
This is a
nokuthintana.
godly life.
Leyo ke impilo kaNkuluNkulu.
It's a godly life.
Impilo kaNkuluNkulu.
Making the devil to lose purpose over your life.
Uwenze usathana lahlekelwe injongo empilweni yakho.
Once you live such a life,
Mawuphila impilo
the
enjalo.
enemy loses
Isitha
the
silahlekelwa
purpose
injongo
to still kill and destroy
lokuthi itshontshe ibulale futhi ibhubhise
in your life.
empilweni yakho.
But if you live
Kodwa ke mawuphila
a godless
impilo
life
engenankulunkulu
without the Holy Spirit,
engenawo umoya oyingcwele
you will die.
uzofa.
You will die.
Uzofa.
The second death,
Ukufa kwesibili
going to the grave.
kuyethuneni.
Because without the Holy Spirit, you are
Ngoba
dead
ungenayo
already.
umoya oyingcwele awayufile.
You are dead already.
Ufile.